Honorable Minister, let me acknowledge your presence. We gather here to continue to revive the culture of the Department of Correctional Services. Today we conferred medals in the Eastern Cape. We're covering Eastern Cape as a region. This is members that dedicated themselves to their work through the 40 years. They have trained, they have advised, they have been helpful to other members. They helped other members to grow in their work. It's a 40 years of enrichment for the mandate of the Department of Correctional Services. It's humbling for one to observe that.
You must be proud of your medal. You can show to people that you have earned, that you have worked hard to receive such a medal.
I'm traveling all over South Africa to present these medals. The medal in itself represents excellent service. And if you wear your medal, they must do it and they must wear it with pride to say that I am delivering an exceptional service to you, all the people in South Africa, by protecting them against criminals.
I enjoy my work and I enjoy working for the department, and I'm very proud to work for the Department of Correctional Services. It was a privilege for me to receive the medal from the Minister. It was a huge privilege.
It is a privilege and an honor to be here today. It was a long road that we traveled, actually a journey, with lots of ups and downs. For this prestigious event and the bestowing of the medals to us, it's not only seen as a tap on the shoulder, it's also an encouragement to all of us. Not only recipients, but all of us, to encourage and energize us to serve our remaining years in the Department of Correctional Services with pride, endurance, dignity, and loyalty. Normally you don't get thank you, so thank you is enough, but this is going the step further to say we appreciate you, and that is what we appreciate. And others that see this, it will also encourage them, to try their best.
It is important to recognize the long-serving employees. You have an employee that has chosen to work in the Department of Correctional Services with all its risks and dangers. There are young South Africans that are at the college that we have recruited. So you get into college with that vision of wanting to serve. Let's encourage those that are coming behind to also aspire to serve those many years.
I salute all the employees. People don't always understand the hostile environment of the Department of Correctional Services. And that's why I decided at least we can give recognition to those officials who served well with excellence, not only for the DCS, but for the people of South Africa.
Say,